So we live in quite a busy, stressful world, and you might be here because you're feeling quite stressed and overwhelmed. And this is where meditation and mindfulness can really help you. But before we get into any of that, I want you to take a pause in your day. Just take a few moments to carve out some time and recenter, refocus. So maybe you want to find a space to just sit for a moment. Take a moment to just shake out your shoulders, shake out your neck, and allow your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in, and a long sigh, exhale out. Good, let that exhale just release any tension, any stress you're holding. We're going to go again with that breath. Inhale. And on the exhale, sigh, let it go, and let your jaw soften. Let that tension just go, and know for the next few moments you can just be here now. Don't need to think about anything, just focus on the breath. Do it once more, big breath in. Long exhale out. Good. Hopefully that's bringing you in a little bit more, allowing you to center in towards your body. Let each side just ground you down into the chair, and you feel yourself now start to relax. Let each breath start to become a little bit longer now. Good, and the breath is a really great way to just take a pause in whatever might be going on in your life. Know that it doesn't need to be fixed right in this moment here. You can just allow yourself to breathe. And know that once you feel a lot more centered, things will flow a lot easier. And this is where meditation and mindfulness can really help you in your practice. So now you're feeling more centered and grounded. Allow your hands to relax down on your lap. Keep that breath slow and steady. So often we get feelings of overwhelmed or stressed because we've got too many things going on. So I want you to mentally take a moment here and imagine your mind like a computer. Imagine this computer's got too many tabs open and it's starting to slow down, it's starting to freeze, it's starting to really struggle. And whatever thoughts and stresses you might have going on in your head right now, I want you to minimize them. Know that they don't need actioning in this moment here. Just minimize them, pause them, put them to the side. Mentally visualize yourself actually closing down these tasks. And with each task that's closed down, you just feel yourself creating more space in the mind, more space in the body. Each stress, each thought, each worry that you let go of just allows you to ground down into this moment. Once you've closed down those tasks, now give yourself that permission to just be here now. Know that this is your time for you. Your time for your well-being. You can allow yourself to really rest knowing that there's nothing else you need to do in this moment but be here. Your mind may still be darting around, and that's okay. In this practice, we're just going to keep bringing it back. We're going to keep focusing it in on the breath. And maybe your awareness is really scattered, and we're going to start to bring that awareness in towards ourselves. So if you're really focusing in the mind, start to bring that awareness down to the chest, the belly, where we feel the breath moving. And if you're really struggling today, sometimes connecting your hands with your belly and your chest can help you focus in on the breath. So having those points of contact are a really good anchor into the breath. And sometimes it can help us connect back to ourselves. So you can let your hands rest there if it helps you stay connected to the breath, or if you're more comfortable, let your hands just relax down on your lap. So we're going to keep our awareness in on that breath and allow each breath to lengthen. And what you can visualize is each breath that you're taking in, inviting some softness, some sense of calm into the body, and each exhale, feel your body relax and the tension go. Keep that visualization going. Inhale, that calm, soft energy, and exhale, let go of the stress and the tension in the body. Consciously relaxing the shoulders, softening the jaw. Keeping the breath steady here. And with each exhale, feel your body soften so much that you just melt into the chair, into the earth beneath you, and feel that support there. Know that you are supported here in this moment. You can just let yourself be. And again, if at any point the mind wanders off, that's okay. That's exactly what minds are meant to do. It has been a busy, stressful day, and that's okay. Just bring that awareness back to the breath. Guide it back to yourself. So keep that awareness on the breath. Just keep gently guiding that awareness back to yourself. And now we're going to let the awareness on the breath just gently go. Let yourself sit in the stillness of this moment. Notice that softness, that calmness run through the entire body here. Enjoy that feeling. And without rushing to get back, just take a moment to appreciate that time you've carved out to take a break in your day. Notice how it's made you feel. And when you're ready, in your own time, we're going to gently take a deep breath in and a soft breath out as you start to bring yourself back to the present moment. Start to notice the space around you and start to bring yourself into that space by gently wiggling your fingers, your toes, your ankles and your wrists, and maybe you even take a little stretch out here. When you're ready, you're going to gently drop the chin to the chest, feel the back of the neck lengthen, and take this as a moment to just say thanks. Thanks for this time, thanks for this pause. When you're ready, slowly blinking your eyes open and lifting your gaze. So there you have it, a nice little break in your day, and hopefully you're feeling a little bit more centered and a little bit more grounded. If you want to jump straight onto another practice and carry on that feeling, click on one of the links. Otherwise, please subscribe to the channel for more meditation and mindfulness videos. Thank you so much.